In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo on Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and that you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store's performance, orders, and products. From here, we're going to head straight into the section where you can manage how your online store looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will open up a menu with options related to your website, like themes, blog posts, pages, and more. We're interested in changing how the storefront looks, so stay on the themes section that appears by default under Online Store. Next, look for the theme that is currently live on your store. This is usually labeled as your current theme. To edit how this theme looks, click on the Customize or Edit Theme button next to it. This will open the theme editor, which lets you visually adjust different parts of your site, such as the header, footer, and homepage sections. Once the theme editor loads, you'll see a preview of your store in the main area and a set of options on the left-hand side. At the top of the page, there may be a shortcut or link that says something like skip to the header. Go ahead and click that. The header is the top area of your website where your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes your search bar or cart icon are located. Now, in the left-hand column of the theme editor, look for an area called Theme Settings. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. When you see Theme Settings, click on it. This is where you can control overall design elements, such as colors, typography, and your logo. Within Theme Settings, scroll down until you find the Logo section. Here you'll see your current logo displayed or a placeholder if you haven't set one yet. Click on the Change button next to the logo area. A file selection window will appear. In this window, choose Select from Library. This will open your Shopify file library, which includes all the images and files you've already uploaded. If your new logo is already there, simply click on it to select it. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click on Add Files, locate the logo file on your computer, upload it, and then select it from the library. After you've chosen your new logo, click on Done to confirm your selection. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the theme editor. Once saved,